Hey, this is Charles Caldwell, and I am a member of the course Java 1, and this is the video turn-in for Project Mastering the Fundamentals. What we're going to do is take a look at a checklist I have that goes over all the items from the rubric and from FSO, and then we're going to compare that with a demo of the app I have running in an emulator. And then after that, we're going to take a quick glance at the code. So without further ado, let's jump on in. So here we are on the computer with the OneNote checklist on the left and the emulator on the right. Let's launch the app. And you can see we have a nice edit text field right up here with the button for submitting the word, and we have a little space here so that these two items look grouped together, and these all items look grouped on their own. And the first item over here is to allow the user to enter text, but let's start off by showing when the user cannot enter text. For instance, if this is blank, we get a little message letting us know it's blank field, didn't save it. We also, if we just use spaces, it also won't let us enter that. And if we go to select collection item, it'll let us know there's no entries in there displayed right now, so we can't use that. So let's actually enter a few words like cat. As we can see, this automatically updates right here. We get a 1 and the average length is 3. Enter mouse. We got 2 items there. Average is 4. And so on. And the reason we're using a float right here is so that we get a little bit of extra accuracy, and also it's a great opportunity just to use a different data type. So we allow the user to enter text, and then we allow the user to click on a UI control, which is this button, and then the text entry will actually reset after we are done entering something, like so. And the data collection will only hold a single item. For instance, we already entered mouse. Let's try entering mouse again. It lets us know that is already in there. And this did not go up at all. And we're already looking at this. It's displaying the number of entries, which is updating whenever we hit the button. It's also displaying the average. And we see that it is accurate each time we hit the button. Now, as far as retrieving the data, we're going to click on this button and we'll see that we get a number picker. And remember, we have 4 items in here right now, so this is, since it's 0 indexed, we only have up to 3. So we're going to retrieve one of these. That's mouse. Retrieve a different one, cat, and then we can also just cancel out of that. We use the button for handling the clicks, and we have the proper alert message here. Now let's head over to the code to show off these last 4 items here. Now we're using a hash set here. That's what we're using to collect all our words. We also have an original method right here for calculating our average. We also have this here to check whether or not the hash set is empty so that we don't accidentally do a divide by 0. And you'll notice in our build.gradle for this, we have a minimum SDK of 14 and a target of 19. And at the top of each of our .java files, we have my name and a little bit of extra information. So that about covers it. That's everything, all the main items off of the rubric and FSO requirements list. I look forward to logging in tomorrow morning and seeing what this next week's project has in store. Until then, thanks for watching.